Sapar marudhiambo nyakora mogima chiegni yudo weche manyien chenro en mar kagi kacha nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel. Duol mochung'ne manyo chenro kod tije mag riwruoge mok mag piny owacho koni gisendiko ne okwach kich mondo tim nonro ewi riwruoge adek mag Kenya Human Rights Commission, Shofco Organization kod Transform Empowerment for Action Initiative mong'ere kaka TEAM. Kata kamano duol nochikore gi chien ni onge teko marango riwruoge moko mag piny owacho magina paro kod auchiel moko ndikore kodgi mabende moko kuom gitudo kod seo ng'anyo e pacho ka.
The authority has launched investigation into the conduct of some PPOs operating in Kenya over allegations that they may have breached the PPO Act and other written laws in Kenya. For clarity, the authority wishes to state that out of the 16 organizations listed in the correspondences by the Principal Secretary of the Department of Foreign Affairs, only 3, and this one you need to note it, only 3 organizations are registered under the PPO Act 2013.
The current PPO Act requires organizations to file returns within 6 months after expiry of their financial year. The reason why they are filing these returns is for us to see and to advise national government on what they are doing, how they are doing it, and whether they are doing it within the provisions of the law. If, for instance, there is something that has been done outside the law, then we have Section 63 that allows us to delve in, conduct inquiries, and deal with whatever issues that arise that are within regulatory purview.
Mokum MCS ma Kenya Kwanza onyiso jotelo maketo piny owacho tesre mondo yosir twak ma jatend piny Kenya William Ruto sebedo ka jiwe pacho ka. Giwacho ni twak ma oyange kind piny owacho kod jo Kenya biro konyo tieko midhiero ma Kenya osebedogo kendo kelo winjruok mosiko e pacho ka.
Kalonzo, you are a diplomat and we want to call upon you. Please, you are a peaceful leader. Come to the president, talk to him, and please, we are calling upon your wisdom. We, as we hail from Mukambani, we listen to you, and we are calling upon and we are pleading with you, come and talk to the president.
Jadbura ma Sirisia John Waluhe onyiso jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo kik yie nyore kendo kawo ondamo mager ne ji mosebedo ka rocho arita kendo yako mwandu jopiny kinde mag ng'anyo. Waluke koni ng'anyo ka oketi okenge makare mathiro madhi nyime pacho kaendi to piny Kenya yudore kama tek kalore nitiere jo maundu matiyo kod ng'anyo e rocho arita.
President Ruto ameongea jana kama President and Commander in Chief. Na hiyo ndiye imekuza roho yangu mimi. Kuonya watu ambao wamejificha kwa GNZ ama vijana wetu wale wanafanya vitu ambaye nataka kuharibu nchi ya Kenya. Nchi hii haina spare part. Na President, tunakushukuru kwa vile umeongea kitu ambaye sisi wengi tulikuwa tunataka uongee hivyo, utoe komandi namna hiyo. Mambo ya maandamano ya kesho. We need peace in this country. Tunasupport rais kukazo kila kitu. Hao watu hakuna room tena ati hawapee wafanye maandamano. Kuna maandamano ni ya nini? Hata kama iko kwa constitution, sometimes inakatazwa because of destroy properties. Mambo ya kuleta vifo katika Kenya inatokana na hiyo.
Moko kuom josiasa mowuok kadhoad nam chumbi osiro paro mar ogaye maduong' bura mar ODM Raila Odinga mar ne anyuola mane owito wedegi nyaka michudo kapok gibet e twak gi jatend piny. Ka giloso skund primar ma Mwangala ma yudore Likoni, josiasa okwedo okang' ma jatend piny William Ruto magwelo ji 11 lemo mopogore opogore ma jotend migepe. Kuom ji 16 go, 6 gin jotend migepe machon ma bende ne oseter dala. Gino ma giwacho ni ok chiw ranyisi mar piny Kenya kaka sirikal mamuonda.
Watu wazungumze, na watu wakiwa wamezungumza, kama kuna ugavi wa vyeo, lazima watu wa Mombasa tuwe mstari wa mbele, kwa sababu sisi watu wa Mombasa tumepigana sana, tumekuwa kidete sana, hata katika ODM, katika Azimio. Kwa hivyo sisi lazima watu wa Mombasa tuweze kufikiriwa.
Tumeona rais ameweza kuchagua wale mawaziri 11, lakini tukiangalia, tumesikia pale rais akisema kutakuwa na serikali ambayo italeta watu wote pamoja, lakini wale mawaziri 11 sijaona hata mtu mmoja kutoka Coast. Ni mumeona kuna mtu kutoka Coast kweli? Sasa hapo kweli kuna kuleta watu pamoja hapo?
Kwa hivyo sisi kama watu wa Pwani ni lazima tupiganie haki yetu. Haki zetu za mashamba tuzipiganie, kwa sababu hivi sasa ndio wakati wa watu kwenda kwenye mazungumzo. Na nakubaliana na yale maazimio tulisema juzi kule kwa ODM, kwamba watu wazungumze zile tabu ambazo tuko nazo katika Kenya, tuweze kuzizungumza na kuweza kuzitatua.
Tidolo mar kanisa mar Anglican Diocese man Mbale County ma Busia Asia Obuya dwaro mondo jod bura mapacho ka obed mochwiny kinde magi puodho jogo mogwelele migepe mopogore opogore. Kokedo kang' ma jatend piny William Ruto mar golo jotend migepe 6 mane oseter pacho, kwacho ni okang' ma kamano dhi ataro gi dwach oganda jo Kenya.
Majina yao yatapeleka kwenye bunge ili majina yao yapigwe msasa, na ninaomba wabunge wetu wale ambao watakusika katika kuwapiga msasa, ya kwamba wasiwarejeshe wale ambao walikuwa katika baraza la mawaziri lile la zamani, kwa sababu inakasirisha sana wana GNZ. Sasa tunaomba GNZ ninajua kwamba hawajafurahi, nina imani kwamba hawajafurahi, na hata sisi hatujafurahi. Watakapokaa katika bunge wakiwapiga msasa wale ambao wameteuliwa na rais kujiunga na baraza la mawaziri, wale 6 na wale 9 ama watakuwa wangapi sijui, wengine wataongezwa, wasirejeshwe, kwa sababu tunataka amani, tunataka utulivu katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Hatukutaka that any of that cabinet arudishwe. So kwa wale ambao wamerudishwa, ambao wanapelekwa tena vetting kwa parliament, tunaomba our MPs, tafadhali, we don't want them again. Na hata kwa wale ambao wamechaguliwa wapya, kama kuna any mwenye akona issues concerning mambo ya ufisadi, please, is a high time hatuwataki.
Tungomba kwamba ikuwe representation ya wananchi wote, na pia achukue stakeholders wote ambao wanahitajika, ndiposa waweze ile picha ambayo inaonekana ya baraza la mawaziri likuwe linazingatia tribe zote ambazo za Kenya.
Riwruok mar mogo kuom josiasa dwaro mondo tim lokruok ne katiba mapacho ka mabende onego chwal mapiyo ne weche mag dongruok ne jopiny. Kotelni kod Shadrack Okech mogo kuom lokruoge manyaka tim duoko piny kwan kuonde chung' od bura mathurka, wito oko lewo mag MCAs, jod bura kod senators mogwel e kind lokruoge mamoko modhuro.
It is time for economic emancipation, which is our third and final liberation, with our lead drivers, the Gen Z, taking center stage with the support of all the Gen X, millennials, the boomers, to achieve the greatest milestone of all time, not only in Kenya, but across Africa. I propose that we need to reorganize Parliament. In this, I mean we need to reduce the number of constituencies from the current 349 to 210, and reduce the number of Senate from the current 68 to 47. I propose that we abolish all the nomination slots from MCAs, MPs, and the Senate. I also propose that we make Senate the upper house with veto powers.
Elijah Obebo chamo mwaka ka jalup governor county ma Kisii. Obebo ne jakom mar board marango tije ma itimo ne jopiny county no. Kom jalup governor ma Kisii odong ne bang'o mar county ma Kisii kod Senate golo e kom Laktar Robert Monda dwe mar 2 higani ewi man mawachore ni otiyo marach gi apisi mare. Dono ng'ado mondo mi Obebo chamo mwaka pok juma chielo rumo.
Thank you. I wish to say, ladies and gentlemen,
sense of responsibility and a determination to selflessly serve that I accept appointment as the Deputy Governor, Kisii County. I reiterate my commitment, dedication and goodwill to deliver on your manifesto and vision for a great Kisii County. My elder brother Elijah, you are retired from the civil service. Here you are serving as a deputy governor. There are only two important things. Say no to corruption, be faithful to the cause. That's my humble request. Now that you have been the chairman, you were the chairman of the service board, and indeed I've not received any claim of you to have solicited even a penny.
Piny owacho koro rango kaka inyalo med thuolo mag tije ne rowere ka gitiyo gi kembe mag ji giwegi. Kan lose kinde nyasi mar dhialo nyasi mar higni 5 nyaka ne chak kambi mar Inua AI. Jagoro mong'iyore migawo mar tudruok kod lony ma nyasani John Tarus wacho ni piny owacho sani keto maino e jolo jotije mopogore opogore e lony ma nyasani. Jatije mar Inua AI Humphrey Muchuma wacho ni kambi no chano chenro mar yawo kuonde mbui ma nyasani ma romo 10 mondo med thuolo mag tije. Inua AI sani siro jopuonjre 20 e kit somo mopogore opogore.
This country is full of talent. We are privileged to have our youth who have received the necessary basic training and are very agile to transform to the needs of the current market and the demands in the digital space. We assure you, you have our full support. As a government, will continue to listen to business owners and entrepreneurs like Humphrey to find out what policy changes or improvement we need to do in this space.
Kenya has a very, very big human capital that is well experienced, well exposed, and what we've seen is them being just provided with an opportunity to get these jobs. And we are glad with the networks that we've managed to build across the US and other markets. We've been able to employ more than 250 young people.
Jodake kar ching'o bura ma sirisi enye to rowere okwa mondo kawo hola mag Uwezo Fund mondo gibed kod uchumi giber godo uchumi magi. Jotelo mowuok e alworano ne oloso kinde romo mane okelo kanyakla rowere ne giloso ka ginyalo tiyo gi hola mar Uwezo Fund makare. Rowere mag Gen Z okwa mondo ti gi thuolo no mar kawo hola mondo giber ngimagi. Okwa ji ma osekawo hola go bende mondo mi ochulgi mondo mi jomoko thuolo mar yudo hola.
Kwa sahihi kuna hii Uwezo Fund, si ndio? Ni pesa ambayo iko na riba ya chini na imewekwa kusaidia wakulima, kusaidia vikundi waendeleshe biashara zao, sio? Iko Hustler Fund ambayo serikali ilibuni, sio? Na najua iko wengine walikopa hata Hustler Fund hapa, sio? Inawasaidia. Wale wamekataa kurudisha pesa warudishe kwa serikali. Ndio wengine wanufaike. Na hiyo yote ni njia serikali inasaidia wananchi kuinua maisha yao. Ninasikitika sana kwa sababu sioni vijana hapa. Vijana wale wa tunaita hawa Gen Z. Gen Z wangechukua nafasi hii wakuja waombe pesa hata hawa sio wajisaidie badala kukaa nyumbani. Wajunufaishe pia wafanya biashara kidogo kidogo.
Nasikia wale walikopa pesa last time walikosa kurudisha, hawajarudisha pesa na ndio wanatembea kwa wananchi wakisema ati pesa hakuna. Watu wasirisha, muachane na maneno ya propaganda. Kila wakati kuna watu wanawadanganya na hao wamefaitika, hawataki wengine wafaitike. Timar Equity Dumas notieke thuolo mar adek e tuke mag Cup League maduong' ma yawuoyi pacho ka
bang' loyo tim mar Strathmore Blades points 77 kuom 66 e alap manyayo Gymnasium. Jobengi ma Equity mane ologi tim mar Nairobi City Thunders e nus finals nochako tugo maber kendo loyo kuota mokwongo 22 kuom 20 kapok giloyo 15 kuom 13 e kuota mar 2. Bang'e tugo ke yweyo kit nodhi nyime gi tugo maber kendo loyo set mar 3 gi points 20 kuom 13 ka Strathmore noloyo set mogik 20 kuom 14 e lig ma Wakeini. Tim mar Zitech notieko thuolo mar 3 bang' loyo tim mar Strathmore Swords points 46 kuom 40.
That's why we go to the first position in the playoffs. And then we have to meet Thunder in the semis. That is not our plan, but that is what it is. So we plan to get better in this position next season. We hope to be better in the next season. Work harder, be a better team, especially in terms of being together as a group.
Ya koro magiro kamano kumbedo kode chak kunyaka giko e chenro mar Kagi Kacha koro mosa achiel mar odhiambo ibo chak yudo weche manyien mesa makawe weche manyien ikoni gi elak seche gi nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel. Ubed godhiambo makare.